so much. Nag-live na ba ako? Tingnan nga natin kung naka-live na ba. Set up ko muna guys. Nakapanood na ako kay Inday Surin at saka kay Inday Puching. So, hopefully it will be okay. At pagkatapos ko, 4 hours lang naman tayo guys. 4 hours lang tayo. Gusto ko sana dagdagan ng maraming, paano pa yun? Oh, Jency, thank you for coming to my live. Live tayo guys, live. Let's do live. I will set up my stuff first. Don't worry, Inday Zorin and Jinsing, I will go to your profile, your house later, huh? Because I gonna travel. I gonna take you with my travel going to work. But let me set up this one here first. Shout out sa lahat. Turkey, Jinky, Ronin Magica, Jinky. Okay, Idol Ronin and Idol Jinky, I will go to your house later when I'm done with my live, or if I have extra phone that I can bring and I can engage with your house. Okay guys, let me I'm so excited. Thank you guys, thank you. Let me see. Okay, I got how many? 2 watchers right now, 2 viewers. Thank you, Idol Sis Jinky. Just Gen Z 35, mega love shout out. Ronin Magica, mega love shout out. And there was still a lot on the top of the top comments. I already engaged their houses. Only just Jinky. Thank you Sis Jinky. Oh, thank you. And I set up some of the CP over here. Hello, Sheena Jimenez Ramos. Mega love shout out. Thank you for coming to my live. Thank you, sis. Okay, I will write down your names. Just Jinky, Sheena Jimenez Ramos, the one that just got to come. Oh, Eugene, Idol Eugene. Salamat. Ikaw ba nagbigay sa akin ng maraming thumbs up, Lode? Salamat, Lods. Salamat kaayo. Padoon ko sa work. I'm on my way to work. And okay, just Jincy, let Marila Dag be your subscriber. Oh, you got a lot of subscriber already. But I will do it in organic way. Hold on, let me like your, because this is my other account. These are just my account, Idol Just Jincy. Okay, and I will subscribe you. Okay, Idol Just Jincy, Marila Dag already subscribe. Those are my ninjas. Okay, Idol. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my live, guys. Okay, I will set up some other okay, maybe I will make a